Multiple sclerosis is a chronic disease that affects the central nervous system, especially the brain, spinal cord, and optic nerves. Scientists do not know exactly what causes MS, but they believe it is an autoimmune disorder that affects the central nervous system. There's no cure for multiple sclerosis yet, except a number of medications that can be used to treat the disease. HSCT, a new treatment, has shown promising results to stop multiple sclerosis. It tracks. It attempts to reboot the immune system and prevent further progression of damage to the brain and spinal cord due to MS. So far, HSCT treatment was available at only a few centers in the world, and that too at a high cost of $55,000 to $125,000 US. In 2016, world-class hospital in India started HSCT at a very affordable cost of $30,000 US. This hospital is accredited by the Joint Commission International, USA, National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare Providers, and National Accreditation Board for Laboratories, for processes, and high-quality patient care. HSCT is not just affordable, it offers unmatched benefits included in the cost. HSCT package includes complete treatment cost for 30 days in-hospital stay in a deluxe private room for 30 days with triple HEPA filtration. Includes all medical expenses, medicines and consumables, doctors and nursing care, food and laundry for the patient and attendant, and airport transfers. More than 100 MS patients from all over the world have been treated successfully and were delighted by the value for money and excellent services they received at this hospital in India.
My name is Victor Halls. I've had MS I got diagnosed in 2000, and over the years I've been looking for a treatment to help me. I've heard of HSCT and been looking into it. Then I found this website that does HSCT. I filled out the form and applied to come to here. When I got here, the people were lovely. They greeted me very nice. Anything that you need, they're there to help you. The place is clean and tidy. It gets cleaned 2 to 3 times a day. Everyone is there to help you. All the nurses, if you've got any questions about anything, they're knowledgeable. They know about everything. I have told friends of mine before, and one of them came last year, Jack Sullivan. When I go back to England, I've got friends that wish to come to Artemis to do HSCT, but they're just waiting for me to come back to see how I get on. And all I've got to say is this place is fantastic. I will not feel as good as I do today if it hadn't been for hospital. Thank you.
I'm from the United States. I'm at Artemis Hospital in India, having a stem cell transplant for MS. I've had nothing but great service and great doctors and great nurses here. They're very concerned about not only my health needs, but my personal needs on a daily basis. I receive physical therapy that I've never had before, which has helped me to improve immensely to the point that I'm getting to go home real soon.
My name is Corinne Semler. I'm from the USA, and I've been Catherine's friend for 40 years, and have watched her MS progress over 30 years. And until she came here to this wonderful place, she has never felt so good and looked so good, and her body is just in so much better shape. She has this was her final last-ditch effort to try to get help to belay all of the processes that this disease has caused over 30 years. And because of this program, she can walk better, she has no gait, she can feel things that she couldn't feel before, her mind is better, and her overall attitude and body is just better. Her kidneys and bowels have full function, which she never had in 30 years. She doesn't have vertigo, which was her first primary symptom of the disease. It is now gone also.
I want to thank the staff here and all the nurses